Every day is moving day at Atlas. Here, the pros share some tips to make your move easier, even enjoyable, with some pre-planning. And remember, Atlas is always here to help. As you prepare for your upcoming move, one room can quickly become overwhelming: the kitchen. However, with a good game plan and knowing how to pack appliances, the various breakables such as dishware and glassware, and other items like cookbooks and window treatments, the daunting task of packing your kitchen is much more manageable. We'll show you how to quickly pack these items so they arrive safely at your new home. Here, we'll look at tips for packing your appliances, utensils, and other kitchen items. Wrap and place small appliances and utensils in sturdy cartons with heavier items on the bottom. If you have silverware, wrap each piece in cloth or low sulfur content paper to prevent tarnishing. Low sulfur paper is available from your Atlas agent. Wrap the silver chest in an old blanket or moving pad to prevent scratching. Have an authorized service provider prepare all large appliances such as your refrigerator, stove, freezer, washer, dryer, and so forth for moving. Be sure to prepare all of your major appliances by defrosting, cleaning, and drying them as needed before the carrier's arrival. When moving your microwave oven, make sure to remove all loose articles inside the oven, such as cookware, glass shelves, and carousels. Wrap the loose articles and place them in a separate container. Tape the door shut in an X pattern to protect the glass. Use the original manufacturer's carton if available. If it isn't available, ask your Atlas representative for the right size box. Pack canned goods and other non-frozen foods upright in 1.5 cube cartons with no more than 24 to 30 cans per carton. Do not attempt to move perishables. Wrap glass containers and box foods individually and pack them in small cartons. Flammable liquids and aerosol cans must not be packed. For more information, check out the non-allowables video at atlasvanlines.com. Pack your cookbooks on edge in 1.5 cube cartons. Alternate bindings, however, don't overload cartons. Remember to try and limit individual carton weight to 50 pounds. Hang your drapes over crossbars in wardrobe cartons or fold and pack them in clean cartons. Be sure and remove all curtains from their rods, then fold and pack them in cartons. Since 1948, Atlas Van Lines has been moving families to their new homes across towns, regions, and even oceans. Thanks for watching this moving tip video from the Atlas pros who have perfected and streamlined the process of moving. Visit atlasvanlines.com for more information.